En nou is ons by die sluishuis. Nou die sluishuis sit net buite Deniswil, as jy nou, ek wil nou vir jou sê, onder die damwal verbyry, dan kry jy die sluishuis so op jou regterkant. Nou hy sit letterlik reg voor die sluise. Ek weet nie of julle die sluise kan hoor nie. Daar is nou van die welfs oop. Die dam is baie vol, daar is van die welfs oop. Wat julle daar kan sien, ek kan vir jou inzoom daar, as jy wil sien hoe lyk die welfs. Maar ja, as ons gaan gou 'n bietjie kyk wat hier aangaan. Dis so lekker plekkie vir 'n middagetietjie. Jy kom daar in, van daardie kant af, hier agter my loop die pad.
Wat langs die sal reis ons voort, of volg ons op YouTube en Facebook ook, of luister op die radio na ons groot verhaal. Ons vertel vir jou in jou eie moedertaal. Ons vertel vir jou in jou eie moedertaal. Pad langs.
Daar, so af. Ja. So wys. Baie nice, nee. Kyk, so dit is die sluishuis. Aan die ander kant kan jy sien die brug oor die Vaalrivier. Ons is nou nog in die Vrystaat, deel van die Vaal. Vir jou so maak, daar is hy. En daar is die long weekend trading hours. Ek sien hier tot 'n doggy bar. So hulle is pet friendly. Ek lekker lyk dit hier. Lieflik, hier kan jy lekker rustig sit. Met die water wat jy hoor daar aan die agterkant. Kyk net hoe lyk dit. Ons daar aan die ander kant is die brug oor die Vaalrivier. Kyk net daar. Hy kan Gauteng. Kyk so af die kant. Lieflik, nee? Ons kry so 'n panorama view hier vanaf julle. Daar is tot 'n plek om 'n foto te neem. Ek dit nou nie lekker hier binne nie. Ja. Dis baie nice, ek het dit nie verwag nie. Snuisterye en elke lekker ding. Van die Kaap tot die Vrystaat. Hier is 'n lekker koffiehoekie. Hier kan jy nou lekker sit en koffie drink. Kyk net hier. My genade. Ek gou so draai en kyk of ek kan alles inkry wat hier is. Kykie. Kyk daar. De Walden. As hy, so dit is die sluishuis. En jy kan lekker hier sit en op die Valdam se wal kyk. Hoe lieflik is dit nie? Kyk dan. So. Ek dink dit moet nogal 'n mooi gesig wees as daai sluise oop is en jy sit hier en jy sien dit. Ja, so as julle hier by Denysville verbykom, jy ry dalk so net hier verby van die N1 se kant af. Sal ek nou maar sê Heidelberg se kant toe, Villiers daai kant toe. Dan kan jy altyd stop hier teen die pad. En jy kan 'n ou ietsie drink en ietsie eet hierso. Hier, die sluishuis. As hy. Nou ja, kom ons gaan kyk verder wat gaan aan in hierdie dorp.
Op toer deur die RSA se beeldskone vlaktes, pad langs onder Afrika se eindelose lug, besoek ons vergete klein ou dorpies, herleef saam met ons hul geskiedenis en kuns. Pad langs deur die RSA reis ons voort, of volg ons op YouTube en Facebook ook, of luister op die radio na ons groot verhaal. Ons vertel vir jou in jou eie moedertaal. Spore ontvou waar krimme dartbome staan, besienswaardighede blink in elke sonnestraal. Elke nuwe myl bring onvertelde stories in hierdie land vol van skoonheid en euforie. Pad langs die RSA reis ons voort, of volg ons op YouTube en Facebook ook, of luister op die radio na ons groot verhaal. Ons vertel vir jou in jou eie moedertaal. Saam ontdek ons baie nuut, ons reis is feit, ons harte vry. Elke dorp het 'n lied wat fluister, stories wat vir altyd by ons bly. Pad langs die RSA reis ons voort, of volg ons op YouTube en Facebook ook, of luister op die radio na ons groot verhaal. Ons vertel vir jou in jou eie moedertaal. Ons vertel vir jou in jou eie moedertaal. Pad langs.
Kyk, ek staan hierso by Barrels and Roses, ook in Denysville. En dis ook 'n paar dingetjies aan die gang. Hulle het, ek dink sokker of ietsie gehad vandag. Ons wys vir jou daar so Barrels and Roses. En kom ons gaan ontmoet die mense, ons gaan kyk hoe lyk dit hier binne.
Hallo.
Hi. Hier is 'n veldbrandjie oorkant wat dit nou sleg maak. Maar hoe lyk dit hier? Nice, nee. Hang die plakkies hier so. Een lekker vibe wat hierdie plek het, moet ek dit vir jou sê. Ons gaan kyk of ons kan ingaan. My genade. Sjoe. Klomp boeke. My jene. En kyk net daar. Interessante plekkie. Dit is nou regtig interessant ou plekkie. Waarom kom ons gaan uit? Lekkerste plekkie so. Dis nou erg te negosie van. Kyk dit. Lieflijk. Kyk hierdie klavier. Nou,
Sorry, I'll be back with you.
die plek het net karakter. Kyk wel. Sjoe. Iets van alles. Ons was nooit in hierdie winkel toe ons hier bly. Of net iets omstamp hier. Okay. En lekkere wyne. Van my afdeling daai. Dan mag ek wees. Dit is baie interessant hier. Ja. Kom ons gaan gesels met Lee. Sy is die eienaar van hierdie plek. Sitting here with Lee from Barrels and Roses. Now I must confess, we've been in and out of Deniseville ever since 2021. And we've never, ever walked into your place.
Oh dear.
Yeah, can you believe it? I'm ashamed.
That's very sad.
That's very sad. But don't worry, I'm making up.
Oh, good.
Lee, welcome. Thank you very much for having us.
Oh,
We've got a very
pleasure.
nice place. Please tell us
thank
about
you.
yourself and about the place.
Okay, well, Barrels and Roses started in 2011,
Okay.
initially as just a wine shop, and it has sort of progressed from there. We had the real estate business, which was run from that side, and now we've got the bookshop and the crystals, and we do everything sort of thing. And then on Fridays, we do like a supper club. So anybody is welcome and you can come, and we literally do a meal every Friday, and it's quite social.
And it's very social. It's
Yes.
actually a very nice vibe that you've got going here.
Yes, yeah, we love it.
And it's on the road. It's
Yeah, we sit here sometimes
It's a prime
till late, and and yeah, we are open and have, touch wood, have never had a problem, thank goodness. Yeah,
no, this is a very nice place.
Yeah.
I do love it. We've got a nice venue.
thank you.
And anything going on, let's say in the next 2 months with you? Anything you're doing in the next 2 months? Yeah.
I'm not sure. I'm one of those that does a spur of the moment, like, okay, let's do like the soccer game today.
Yeah.
We did that like 2 weeks ago. I got a soccer ball from Spar when I bought groceries, and so that's where that stemmed from. But we often do a cricket day every like 2 or 3 months. We'll have a cricket day where everybody comes to play.
Oh, you've got a nice little space down there. I'll
Yes,
take
yes.
a video there as well.
Yeah, so yeah, very social and yeah, very nice.
Very nice. Thank you for having us. Thank you for talking to us. And I hope you do good business.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you guys. And please come again. Don't
We will
wait.
definitely.
Don't wait too long.
No, we'll definitely come again. Thank you very much, Lee.
Okay, pleasure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ek sit hier so buite. Shell brand nog steeds sleg nie oorkant. Dan nou Lee, lekker met haar gou gesels oor haar plekkie hierso. En dan kom ons gaan kyk hier waar hulle die sokker gedoen het. So that's the guilty person. Good afternoon, everybody.
Hey.
My name is Jock. I'm from Wal Stereo and from Patlangs. It's a program that we do. So we're just looking at everything. Okay. Sorry, thanks.
Me too.
Oh, damn.
I thought you went again. Okay, I got one dog and another dog.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
Good.
Hi.
Get out the way.
Sorry.
Don't hurry, that's you. We got all day. Let's look good. Come on.
En daar staan my goeie ou vriend Janie alweer. Ja. This is lovely.
Good.
That's a lovely afternoon thing to do.
Oh,
I'm going to have mine now when I get home.
We saw you at Renew.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All round. I know. Oh, he's getting hold. I mean, hot.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yay! And the overall winner of 2026 Thousand Roses World Cup football game is Liz.
Op toer deur die RSA se beeldskone vlaktes, wat langs onder Afrika se eindelose lig, besoek ons vergete klein ou dorpies, herleef saam met ons hul geskiedenis en kuns. Wat langs deur die RSA reis ons voort, of volg ons op YouTube en Facebook ook, of luister op die radio na ons groot verhaal. Ons vertel vir jou in jou eie moedertaal. Spore ontvou waar krimme dartbome staan, besienswaardighede blink in elke sonnestraal. Elke nuwe myl bring onvertelde stories in hierdie land vol van skoonheid en euforie. Wat langs hierdie RSA reis ons voort, of volg ons op YouTube en Facebook ook, of luister op die radio na ons groot verhaal. Ons vertel vir jou in jou eie moedertaal. Saam ontdek ons baie nuut, ons reis is feit, ons harte vry. Elke dorp het 'n lied wat fluister, stories wat vir altyd by ons bly. Wat langs hierdie RSA reis ons voort, of volg ons op YouTube en Facebook.
In die tussentyd
Of luister
stap ons hier oor die pad na 'n plekkie wat baie anders gelyk het toe ons hier gebly het. Dit lyk nou vir my, die slots en goed, hulle verander die plek verskriklik baie. Kykie, hoe lekker kan jy hierso sit. So kom ons gaan kyk of ons die mens kry hier binne. Okay, so I am standing here with Joseph and his wife Claire, chatting there to Lynn. You know, I made a joke. I said to Lynn, she's the mayor of the nation.
Yeah. Happy is, yeah, Linton, for sure. Yeah.
So Joseph has got a new, well, you've got this property for quite some time, I think, hey?
No, it's been 2 weeks now. We're not the owners. We're
Okay.
leasing.
Okay, so you're leasing.
Yeah.
And the name is
Balladiers.
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 So please tell us, what are you going to do here?
So it's going to be a music and sports bar with food and just live music and a bit of dancing and just sports, really, yeah.
Okay.
A pub, and pretty much that's it, really, yeah.
Yeah.
It should be, I think it's quite a simple theme, so.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And well, we chatted earlier, you're going to have artists here, live artists.
Absolutely, live
like
music, for
live
sure.
music.
Yeah.
And you come from the same industry
Theatre background, yeah.
background that
Theatre, yeah.
I do.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's
Yeah.
you are a music engineer, eh?
Sound engineer, correct,
Sound
yeah.
Ah, yes.
I haven't done it in a while, but it's, yeah.
It's still in your blood.
Absolutely,
It
yeah.
keeps the,
And our sort of vision was, I'm tired of doing events and going around the country. I'd rather have one place. So there's always our vision to have a pub and do music here, and that was the sort of vision. So we've now got it. That'll be great, yeah.
yeah.
Looking forward, I think, for sure.
Well, we are also looking forward, and what we're going to do is we'll when we're in the area, we can definitely going to come around. And
Absolutely.
see
No,
you.
you have to, yeah.
We're going to do that. I just want to show you his wife. Claire. Hello, Claire.
Just you need the mic or
No, that's
fine,
fine.
okay.
So, When do you guys think you're going to be open?
We had hoped it would take 2 weeks to renovate, but it's been a bigger job. So end of June, it must be end of June, I think. So that last weekend, and I think the big opening will be the first weekend in July. Holiday season, so we can get the guys from Val Marina here, and at least they'll be around. So
Yeah.
because I mean it's winter, so it is tricky. It's not the best time to open, but the venue became available, and we just took it. We had to take it immediately.
Well, it's a good time to renovate now.
Absolutely, and then hopefully it's not too busy, because it sounds like we might be busy. I don't know. The talk is that we're going to do very well. I mean, everyone's chatting, and so word of mouth is great. So I don't need to be too busy. We need to get some practice next. It's our first bar.
Listen, the best practice is just doing it.
Absolutely, yeah.
Jumping in and do it.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
So you are going to put slot machines in that area again?
Correct. Yeah.
Now, I want to show everybody, if I can
Please do. Yeah.
walk a little bit backwards. I want to show them, when we were here this morning, they were still measuring the bar. Now, this is where the bar is going to be. Let's get you down there. There we go. So that's going to be the bar area. I love the layout of the bar. I think it's going to be very nice.
Thank you. It's not going to be
And
boring strap.
it's a big bar. It's nice. It's
Yeah.
going to be very nice.
Yeah. We need space, and then I think there can be three of us in there easily working. Yeah. So if it gets busy, 3 or 4.
Yeah.
The equipment that's
Yeah. The
fridges and all that is quite a lot. Yeah.
And the color scheme. I want to zoom in on that color scheme. Let me just get there. I'm on a new gimbal here myself, so I'm also learning this gimbal. That is going to be the color scheme, more or less.
Yeah.
That's what we are looking at. But when we go, we'll be back the first week of August. Yeah. Then we'll be back in the area.
Oh, right.
So then we'll definitely make it.
Absolutely.
We will then come and look what happens. Tell us quickly what you're going to do next door.
So, do you want to talk or then?
oh, this is more your side, I think. The venue side.
So it's going to be carry on. Go for it.
Well, we've already started with our black theatrical ceiling, and more to come at the back there with a stage, live performances, gigs, and also a rentable space for the village.
Yeah.
So flexible.
Excellent. And next door, they are busy looking at the
Outdoors.
venue as well.
Cinema.
Cinema.
Yeah.
So that's going to be nice as well.
Yeah. So
We've got all the equipment.
exactly. So no, we always use it.
Yeah.
We might do cinema here as well, and then for teenagers. So that if the folks are here drinking or chowing, and then they can watch film or movies or
Yes.
play on their cell phones, who knows what. And then
Okay. Oh, that'll be great.
hopefully we've catered for everyone.
I hope so. I hope I haven't left anyone off the list. We'll see. You know about it though.
Babies.
But soft play.
I guess.
Deep bags.
I don't know if it's the right place for babies.
Sure.
And we're still toying if it's going to be smoking or not.
No,
We haven't decided. Maybe that's smoking, this
there's non-smoking.
or non-smoking. So
Yeah.
we're still toying with that.
Maybe smoking down in the
in the slots area.
slots area. Outside, please tell us, what are your plans?
The nice space.
For now, it's gonna pretty much stay.
Yes. Some potted plants, some outdoor furniture,
We're going to remove those 3
Okay.
umbrellas.
Yeah,
whatever you call them.
and just put new ones up there. We might actually have live music here as well.
Yeah.
At the back there. So
Bit of
That'll
a
be
band
nice.
down,
Yeah.
bit of
Yeah,
playing
that'll
on
be
the back.
very nice.
and then perhaps a stretch tent for the for the roof.
Yeah, winter or rain or whatever. Yeah.
for sure. So a bit of shade, but that's about it. I think we won't do much here, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Well,
Or
we
phase
wish you
2.
all the best,
Thank
and
you.
we're gonna visit you guys
Please do.
hopefully in August.
Please do.
Then we'll do a take 2 of this
Absolutely.
this venue.
Yeah,
Maybe take 3 in a year.
absolutely. Yeah.
Thank you very much
Thank
for
you.
your time. We
Thank you,
appreciate it.
Wonderful.
Thanks.
Cheers.
Okay, Jacques, so I just want to explain to you about the village square. What happened when we bought our little property over there? Linton looked on the plan and he saw that this area of ground was called the village square. And I immediately said, but this is an invitation for us to do something on the village square for Denaysville. And over the years, we have not only us, but others have cleared it and mowed it to make it nice. And what we've done is there's always been that huge pile of rocks, but we've had a number of events for the DBTA, the Denaysville Business and Tourism Association. And we've had, for example, we've had a winter solstice potjie competition. And then and we've had a bring and braai. Everybody brings their meat. We provide the braais. And there's just a lovely atmosphere. The DBTA bought some solar lights. We put up the solar lights because this is pitch dark then without any lighting. And we've just had some lovely events here for the whole community. So what we want to do is we have a vision of having a market with fresh produce, stuff that's made in products that are made in Denaysville
Okay.
by Denaysvillers. And we come and, we could do a barter. We could sell it for R5 a tin of cherry tomatoes. It doesn't have to be anything special, but that's what we'd like to do on the village square. And just develop it into a place. But it does belong to Metsimaholo, and Metsimaholo has graciously allowed us to do it. We have unfortunately tried to organize a lease since we had the village fair. We've been trying to organize a lease for this ground from Metsimaholo, and we haven't been able to do that yet because the regulations change constantly. But that is what we hope to do.
Oh, that'll be great. Yeah, gee whiz.
Just a central meeting place, you know, that everybody knows.
Wat van